Looks like we're gonna have a little project today. So Maciek just bought 2-inch spacers, so hopefully it's gonna be easy to do it. There we go. So I got this spacer for the front, and holy shit,
for the back. It's a big one.
And this holy fuck.
I don't know where it
And
goes.
this space for the back. What's the update on suspension, Chaco?
Get the fuck out of here. It's fucking.
So do the lift. It's gonna be fun. They said. Let's see what's going on over here.
Oh, it's all fucking rusted as hell. My best friend.
Dave is the mine. Okay, so we removed this bolt from the bottom, 3 bolts from the top, and this bolt from the top. All right, so looks like the front is done. That's pretty fucking high. Let's see, the front it looks like it's 7.5, and the rear right now it's at fucking 5.5. Got the spacer, and somehow we need to put it under the spring. So that should be pretty easy. You need to undo both of the shocks. This bar over here. Panie!
Zamiast tego to idzie na górę po prostu?
Tak. Easy.
Do tej mani. Go. O kurwa. Ale teraz to nie będzie chciał wejść. Przygotuj do wiki.
Yep.
Masz misiaczek?
No, to musiałem tak przekręcić trochę ten wał kurwa.
Beautiful.
Fucking perfect, dude.
Perfection.
To teraz 2 teraz poszło, kurwa. Dobrze robię.
That's almost perfect, dude.
No but almost perfect.
That's actually from the tire to the fender. That was like 5.5 before.
Fucking 7, dude.
So you got professional paint job. You got nice cover box. Delikatne robił.
O kurwa.
Project complete for today.
Tomorrow, time for new tires.
Yeah.
33s. It's gonna be fucking ready to go.
Awesome. So what's going on over here?
Well, you know it's
We got some
always
more.
a good day when you have to wear safety glasses.
All right, so now we got 1.5 inch, right?
No,
1.5
2.
spacers.
Oh yeah, here is a 1.25 inch, I believe.
1.25 spacers on all 4 corners. We got bigger tires.
33s.
33s. That's why it looks fucking humongous. Mud tires. And now we got Winch over here.
Yeah, 1,300
1,300 pounds. Oh, cool.
Ribbon. Now we have a little bit of clearance.
Now it's off already. Probably this weekend, right?
Yeah, Saturday.
So we're gonna test it out.